In this video, I'm going to reveal how to promote affiliate links for free online. If you're someone that wants to start doing affiliate marketing to generate commissions and money on a daily basis, you're going to want to follow me throughout this entire video. I'm literally going to share with you an incredibly simple, beginner-friendly strategy anyone can do without a following, without sales experience, and without even needing more than 10 minutes a day. In a second, I'm going to hop on my computer and I'm going to share with you how you can find good products to promote. I'm then going to walk you through every single step of this method, so by the end of the video, you can go out there and realistically begin earning these commissions passively on a daily basis. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the very first step. All right, my friends, so the very first step is we need to find a good product to promote. Now, there's a lot of different places you can go online, and this method will really work with any niche. So if you already have a product you're promoting in the health and fitness niche or the dating niche or the make money online niche, you can use this method for that product. But if you don't, one way you can do it is you can go to Digistore24. They have all these different products. So if you go ahead and register, you can go into the marketplace and they have all these different categories: animals and pets, business and investment, family and kids, fashion. So they have all these different categories, and you just go ahead and click on one and they'll have a list of different products and you can go ahead and get your affiliate link. Now, I'm going to include a link directly below. That very first link is going to actually eventually lead you to this page here. This is actually revealing my #1 affiliate program to promote. The reason I like this program is because you literally get paid instant 100% commission. So unlike, a lot of other places to find products, you don't have to wait a long time to get paid, and you can start to get your link and use this method with it. So once you actually have your affiliate product or program that you want to promote, the next step is we want to go over to YouTube. Okay, so don't worry, you're not going to have to create any videos yourself. You're not going to have to put your face out there, but we're going to leverage a little known secret when it comes to YouTube. So go to YouTube, and then what you want to do is you want to think about whatever product you're promoting, and you want to write in a few words that have to do with the niche your product is in. So for the sake of this video, for the sake of that #1 affiliate program that pays you instant 100% commissions, that's in the make money online niche. So, I could type in something that has to do with entrepreneurship, because a lot of people that want to make money online also like being entrepreneurs. They like motivation. So that comes hand in hand. Okay, so you want to think of a few words. So I'm going to do entrepreneur motivation. Okay, and I'm going to type that in. Now, obviously, you probably know how YouTube works, and they're going to list a long list of videos that have to do with that topic. But what we want to do is go up to filters, and a lot of people don't know about this. If you go to Creative Commons, what this does is this filters by videos that the creator of that video has given you rights to use. This is a certain type of license they've given with their videos, so you can actually go ahead and use these videos as your own. Okay, so we just want to look through, and this one right here. Okay, so this is a 10-minute video. It looks like Steve Jobs motivation. Now, a lot of people that are interested in Steve Jobs and entrepreneurship, also interested in making money online, which works perfect with the product that I'm going to be promoting in this video. Okay, so you want to open up that video, and what you want to do is you want to go to the very top and you want to click on copy and copy that URL at the very top of the page. Now what we want to do is we want to go over to a website that's totally free called loader.to. Now, all these links are going to be in the description below, but what this allows you to do is actually download that YouTube video for free to your device. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to paste in the URL of that YouTube video with Creative Commons, and then we want to do the format, and we want to choose MP4. Now, they have MP4 360, MP4 480. If you have a slower computer, you can do a less quality video. It doesn't matter too much, but I'm going to do 720. And then hit download. Okay, now what that's going to do is start to generate, okay, the download link, so I can actually download this video. And then what we're going to do is use this in this powerful free method to promote your affiliate link. So let me go ahead and wait, and I'll join you in a second. Okay, so once it's done converting, we just want to click download, and again, this will start downloading to our device. And then once it's downloading, what we want to do is we want to go over to a website that most people don't even know about. It's called BitChute.com. Now, what this is a somewhat competitor to YouTube. So a lot of people now are going to this website and they're watching videos. This site, BitChute, is becoming more and more popular. They go to this page, they search in the search bar different topics of videos they want to watch. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a free account with BitChute. Okay, so I've already done that. When you first go to BitChute, at the top right, there's going to be a link to register. It's totally free, takes just a few minutes. You'll get an email to your email inbox with the email address you've used. And then once you approve your email address, you'll be able to log in. Okay, now once you log in, we want to click this little icon here to upload a new video. Now, what we're going to actually be able to do is take the video from YouTube that has Creative Commons, and we're going to be able to upload it to BitChute as our own. Okay, so this is really, really powerful. So what we want to do is click browse, and we want to select the video that we downloaded. Okay, so once it's uploading like this, we want to put in a video title. Now we can actually go back here. Okay, we can go back to YouTube. We can search entrepreneur motivation. And then what we can do is we can actually filter by the most viewed videos. Okay, so I'll share with you what that means in a second. Okay, so once you're here, we just want to go to filters. We want to go to view count. Okay, because we know that with this topic, if these videos have a lot of views, chances are the title was very effective. So we can actually open up a video that has a lot of views that's related to the video we are uploading, and we can literally just copy that title. Okay, and we can go back here and I can paste that in as the title. Now in the description, we just basically want to give a call to action to click our affiliate link. Okay, so I'll share with you. So it's going to depend on whatever product and niche you're in. But for this, you know, the product that I'm promoting teaches people, again, how to earn 100% instant paying commissions. So I can say, you know, do you want to discover how to become an entrepreneur and make a full-time income online from scratch? Click here for the easiest way. Okay, so you just want to write something that piques people's interest and that leads them to the affiliate link. And then now what we want to do is we want to go and get our affiliate link. Okay, so for the sake of this, I'm going to go ahead and copy my affiliate link that would be to this page here, and I will go to a website called tinyurl.com. Again, all the links are below. We just want to put in our affiliate link there, and then we just click make tinyurl. Now, once we do that, we want to click copy, and we're going to copy this tinyurl, this shortened link. Now, the reason we're doing this is because if we just take this long affiliate link and put it in the description of the video, it's very unattractive. Most people won't click it. But if I do this, now that's looking a lot better. You can see right there, it's looking more professional, more short, and easier for people to click on. So now we have the title, we have the video that we know is proven to work, it got some views, we have this call to action with our affiliate link. The next step is we need to put in search terms. Okay, these are like tags on YouTube. It's basically like hashtags on Instagram. So this is how BitChute will know where to rank our video and what search terms. Okay, so rather than coming up with these search terms yourself, you can actually head over to another website that's free called rapidtags.io. And what this allows you to do is generate SEO, search engine optimization tags that are going to help your video rank and show up for the right keywords to attract people to that video and ultimately promote your affiliate links. Okay, so we just hit this right here, use tools for free. And then we just want to type in a few words that have to do with the video. So for the sake of this video has to do with Steve Jobs and entrepreneurship. So I can just type in entrepreneurship, okay, and I can hit enter. And what that does is this instantly generates all these really good and proven to work tags. And then we just hit copy. Okay, so this is copying to the clipboard. We go back here, we go to search terms, and we hit paste. Okay, and what that's going to do, okay, and there may be a limit, right? So it says max 3, which is totally fine. Okay, so we just want to remove that last one. So there's 3 tags in there like that. Okay, and then we just hit proceed. Okay, so I actually had to remove the commas. Okay, so you want to remove the commas for it to work. So you want to put in, you know, each tag separated by a space. You can only do 3. So this will generate a lot. You just take the top 3 and then you hit proceed. And what this does is this will start uploading and posting that video. Now the video is still processing, as you can see right here. So in a few minutes, this will actually be live and people will start seeing it. You can see we have the title right here, very eye-catchy. We have this description. Okay, so when someone sees this title, they see the video, okay, they go to the description, they'll click this link, and then they'll get taken to our affiliate sales page, or if you have a capture page, you're collecting someone's email first, then sending it, wherever you're sending that link, that will start to work for you. And again, go down below to that first link and you can see my #1 recommended way to actually access 100% instant paying commissions, which is absolutely incredible. Now, again, remember that because we put tags in there, this will start ranking. So when people search in right here, certain words like entrepreneurship, our video will start to show up. Okay, like this, right? So people will start to see our video, and that's how we're gonna start to promote our affiliate links. There we have it. I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value in this video. If you did and you want me to make more videos just like this, again, smash the like button, comment yes so I'll know to make more videos just like this. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my weekly videos. I haven't even scratched the surface. I know tons of methods just like this. And again, last but not least, I'll include that link to my #1 affiliate program so you can go ahead and check out much more information. And when you decide to join, all the resources, tools, and even ability to earn 100% commissions will be there. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.